Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce products to Google. This process allows you to showcase your products directly in Google search results and shopping ads, which can significantly boost your online store's visibility and sales potential. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is essential for the integration to work properly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find a list of options for managing your WordPress site. Click on Plugins, which will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find all the tools you need to extend your WooCommerce functionality. Now you'll be taken to the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in Google, and you'll see various results appear. From these results, look specifically for Google for WooCommerce. This is the official plugin that will enable the synchronization between your store and Google's shopping platform. Before installing, click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will give you a clearer picture of what you're setting up. Once you're comfortable and ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while, so be patient and let it complete fully. Once the installation is done, you'll see the Activate button appear. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, look again at your left navigation panel. You'll notice a new option has appeared. Click on Marketing, and the menu will expand to show you additional choices. From these expanded options, click on Google for WooCommerce. This will take you to the plugin's main dashboard. From here, the process becomes pretty straightforward. The plugin is designed to guide you through connecting your account seamlessly. All you have to do is link and integrate your Google account with your WooCommerce store by clicking on Sell More on Google. On step 1, you'll be required to connect your WordPress and Google account. This establishes the foundation for the entire integration. Then on step 2, this is where you'll sync your products to Google, ensuring your inventory is properly uploaded and categorized. Finally, on step 3, you can create a campaign to start promoting your products. 3 simple steps to sync WooCommerce products to Google. You've now successfully connected your WooCommerce store to Google, allowing your products to reach a much wider audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.